Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video we will do a quick revision of the IT subject. Okay, means what are the topics you are having in each unit and what are the easiest topics, easiest chapters you are having, everything we will discuss in this video. So as your the IT subject is only having 40 marks, so 40 marks paper, passing is 16 marks only, and time duration is 1.5 hour only in the examination. Okay, so students, this is the thing about the IT applications of management. Okay, so what are the easiest units? Means first unit is easiest unit, then fifth unit is easiest unit, then second unit is easiest unit, then third, and then fourth. Means first unit, fifth unit, second unit, third unit, and fourth unit. So in this order, if you prepare your preparation, means this will be helpful for you to understand the every concept whatever you are having in your IT subject. Okay, easily you will able to score O grade also. Means unit number 1 is easy compared to unit number 1. Unit 5 is also easy. So hardest chapter whatever you are having means fourth chapter. Means here also unit wise what are the things you need to concentrate also I will explain it. See ma, when you are attempting unit number 1, when you are preparing for unit number 1, you need to concentrate on the topics of computer. Okay, so computer, block diagram of a computer, features of a computer, and what is the IT role in a business, what is information technology role. So these are the two main concepts which you are having in unit number 1. Definitely one question you will get it from either from computer or IT applications. And coming back to the unit number 5, in unit number 5 you will get a question related to the topic cyber loss. Compulsory you will get a topic related to this question. Okay, so cyber loss things you need to understand about the cyber loss, and firewall you will have firewall topic also, you will have this question also. So if you have prepared these two questions very well, means you will easily understand the chapter 5, and easily one question you will able to attempt it in your final examination for long. Okay, so when you are prepared for long, automatically short also you will able to score it, right? So now coming back to the unit number 2, in unit number 2 also you will have the some of the information related things. See, IS, information system, that is the one of the main concept you are having, and you can learn this DSS concept also, decision support system. This is also one of the important question you are having, and AI models. So this time we can repeat any one topic question in the examination. So try to learn this three concepts from unit number 2. Okay, and coming back to the unit number 3, unit number 3 is also having the less questions only ma. So types of network you are having, so types of network and network topologies you are having. So these two questions you are having mainly. So definitely one question you will get it in your examination, because last time they didn't ask these two questions. This time there is a chance of getting any one question, either it is types of network or network topologies. Types of network means LAN, MAN, WAN, PAN, CAN, like this type of things. What is network topologies? Bus topology, star topology, ring topology, mesh topology, hybrid topology. So this type of things you are having, no? So these two concepts is very much important from unit number 3. And the last unit, unit number 4, the main important topic is SDLC. So SDLC is one of the most important topic, that is system development life cycle. So this concept, this year they may ask one question related to this concept. What is the stages of SDLC? There are mainly 8 stages you are having. I have already explained in the explanation video, so try to check out that videos. Okay, so these are the order wise things you need to learn it. Especially you need to concentrate on the topics whatever just now I have discussed, whatever the questions I have discussed. If you have prepared this hardly 5 to 6 questions, it will be enough for you to attempt all questions in your question paper. Okay, in a very well manner. Okay, if you want only passing marks in this subject, means you try to prepare at least 2 units, it is more than enough. If you want to score O grade, means definitely you will to understand the every chapter question you need to attempt full question paper, means 5 long 5 short, definitely you need to attempt it. Okay, so this is all about the video. I hope that you have got clarity. If you are having any further doubts, let me know in the comment section. All the very best for your examination and preparation. See you all in next video. Bye bye everyone.